Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're checking out this smart camera. Works with, you can download the app from Apple Store or Google Play. Let's go ahead and open this up. So right away, it looks like the box is ripped inside. So almost like this is a used unit. Let's go and take a look and check this out. So it's got a little protector on it. Doesn't seem used. So I'm not sure why the box was ripped on the inside. So overall, it looks like a plain security camera. Underneath is where you put your TF card. So as you can see, it rotates pretty good. Basically 360-degree rotation. Antenna for signal. Power port right here. Let's go ahead and see what else they provide you. So it uses Smart Life app. So check out your manual once you get it. You guys know, I know you guys like to jump right into the footage, so we're just showing you guys what it looks like. Here is a mounting bracket. Once you mount it up, you would then slide this in and then twist it and it would lock in place. This is the power cable. Not that, for a security camera, you don't get much cable. This is not a lot of cable for a security camera. So you're gonna have to have it pretty close to an outlet. I mean, it's far, but it's not as far as most people would like. So you may need an extension cable. So that's what it looks like. Make sure you follow your app and the manual on how to set it up. Let's go ahead and jump right to the footage.